Hi.
We have units be advised. We have a report of a grand theft auto at the location. RP states their vehicle was just taken from the driveway within the last 2 minutes. Respond and investigate. On Center Street. Need additional units. We have a suspect fleeing the area on Davis Avenue.
I got visual on suspect.
Copy.
I've got eyes on suspect.
Copy.
Dispatch 4763 on scene.
4763 arrived.
Down with him. Got him here.
Copy.
Suspect is southbound.
Fucking fuck. Fuck's sake!
Got him here.
Copy.
Eyes on suspect.
Copy.
Dispatch, they wrecked out. Dispatch, need back up.
Copy.
Damn it. Dispatch, you might need EMS standby. He looks like he got beat up pretty bad.
Copy. I'll have EMS on standby.
Dispatch, can you run 27 for me? White male. His name is...
Thanks.
We have
All units, we need more backup. We have a suspect resisting in Cypress Flats.
This society is doomed. Appreciate it. Balls.
One Adam 36.
One out of 36.
On to 555 Little Bighorn Avenue in Rancho for a suspicious vehicle parked in an alleyway. Light blue Emperor, commercial plate of 899. RP states there is one occupant and they
Stop! Police! Now?
Copy from the big one.
Copy 1 Adam 36 en route to 555 Little Bighorn Avenue, Rancho, 1705.
Gift lump. Thanks.
Clearance card.
Clear.
No, I won't come.
36, show me 23 at 555 Little Bighorn Avenue, Rancho. You want to play for me?
Copy, I'll see 555 Little Bighorn Avenue in Rancho. So I was at
Light blue Emperor, plate is Nora Paul Charlie 8.
You're under arrest, you piece of crap!
Okay, don't forget to call Molly. That game was crazy.
assistance required.
in the Strawberry area.
Two of Mike is up to. Dispatch Baker 15, I can stop by and pick up that suspect.
Copy, Baker 15.
Copy, tow confirmed. We'll get that taken care of for you.
Copy.
Copy, I'll get him en route.
In the Strawberry area.
Hello? Hi there. Motherfucker!
You fuck with my wheels! That's reasonable cause! I'll fuck you up!
Stupid asshole!
I'm telling you, fool, you're doing it wrong! Come back and I'll show you how it's done!
X-ray 16, can I get you to head over to 123 Innocence Boulevard in Davis? Just a courtesy check on a resident. Family lives in Vice City. Copy, stand by, I'll get that returned. 2, 1, King, Sam, Zebra. 3, 3, 1. Flag on that plate for expired status. And system shows no current update on file. Had a bad, yeah, just not any info. 13.
gift, Lum. Appreciate it.
Copy, go ahead and notify Union 12 detective lead. It doesn't look like foul play to me. Peaceful in their bed. And it does look the body, so it's supposed to be about 2 days, roughly.
10-4, I was afraid of that. I'll notify Union 12 detective leads. He should be on shift.
If you can notify county coroner as well and just have him on standby. Thanks.
Copy 1412. One S09.
1S09, go ahead.
Respond to a noise complaint at 456 Grove Street, Strawberry. Multiple complaints over there all night.
Shane, copy that. If you can mark in CAD that I have been over twice and someone is going to get a fat ticket tonight.
Copy. Officer Winter is 2218.
All units stand by for a broadcast. All units be on the lookout for an Andre LaShawn Murphy, date of birth 5/18 of 2001, black male, 6'3", 220 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes, 1 for an hour at arrest. Level 2, attempted burglary, criminal representation, dangerous, less than next, represented 2001.
Oh, no, they didn't. Well,
Wait up!
This the east side. You think it's
I'm gonna send your ass back. Go on!
Oh, hell no.
Am I on your face now?
Assistance required.
On Davis Avenue.
Come back around here. Pay the piper, you fool! Police! Now! Police! Let's see some hands up! How are you? Thank you. Fuck, man.
That's fucking great. Damn it.
Yo, move it!
Help me, Jesus.
Fuck!
Oh, help God. Look at all these drums.
Airport operations, radio check.
What the fuck?
Morning, your loss, sir.
Thank you.
Copy, I need a unit to respond.
Do you mind moving?
On Davis Avenue.
Thanks, homie.
Central Dispatch, you'll progress your car 1 in row.
Copy for Gratiot en route 502.
What the hell? The fuck? What kind of ride?
Medic 26 to party 1. Party 1, medic 26.
That's like that.
Medic 26, be from pitch.
Assistance required.
On Innocence Boulevard.
Air 1 from County. Go ahead. Hold this way, trying to raise you.
Air 1 from San Clay. The package is secured. You have to clear next to your hill. Let me know when you're on the view.
Hey, Vern. Take care.
Dispatch is 5882, 5824. Copy another structure fire. You reported a possibly pole barn or barn on fire.
Boy 62, 1154 occupied report.
Yeah.
62, 1154 occupied. The white, cream, and red RV, unknown maker plate, driving around the block multiple times. RV thinks the behavior is suspicious and is occupied by an HMA. Last DOT was northbound on Sycamore. They just want an area check. No contact.
No. Dispatch, Yellow Mart will be clear on the structure fire.
Clear.
County Sam Taylor, 29 report.
Sam, go ahead.
Last of Robert, or correction, Tom Ocean Sam, Tom Adam David Ocean. First of Rodney.
Copy, go ahead. Sam, 1031 County record valid, yeah.
That one, take a second, kill one.
I was thinking the same thing. There it is! Check for a pulse!
Radio check.
440, your 1097 is 10-2, time now 11:50 a.m. Have a great day, drive safe.
Copy, I'll get him en route.
In Davis area.
Trickhead! Think I'm gonna be sick.
Assistance required.
In Davis area.
Show up.
4 TSI en route. Need additional units. We have a suspect fleeing the area. flight is Young, Ocean, Union, Lincoln, Ocean, Sam, Edward. The felony warrant for indecent exposure times 4.
Sam 218 to Mike 118. Does your guy have an orange shirt?
Copy. He does in fact have a orange shirt on. Looks to be in his 20s and blue jeans.
Copy. I'm down the street and bringing a person of interest, main suspect on a recent call.
Baby, you're gonna need some more.
Mike 18, hold here, please. One gun points in, giving verbal orders.
It's Illuminati shit. Once you start seeing it, you can't stop seeing it.
You better ask somebody.
Get out of the fucking car now!
My PO is my baby mama, so it's all good.
Word. ¿A quién le importa?
These fools don't know about this true ballerism.
Is that right?
Plate you lose? Huh. Oh, the irony.
You got it.
I put in more work than a little bit.
Oh, okay. What's happening?
I just hooked up with my good peoples. Finna go bail my nigga out, y'all heard?
No shit?
325, 340, or 370 are any of you on scene yet for Robeson Street?
Negative. About 10 seconds away. What's up?
If he is on scene, he's 99 locally for domestic battery. I'll put in the run.
I'm there.
Shit! Let's hang out this weekend.
I got some knowledge to impart, man. Don't forget that.
City of saints and struggle, lost scandals, Santa in trouble.
I feel you.
East 14, Baker, 340 and 325, trouble person. Boyfriend of Black
Received unit on the way. In the Strawberry area.
Control Travis.
6016.
Crap! I'm reloading!
Got eyes on the suspect.
Copy.
In hood down. Get him. You moron. Damn it! Out of ammo!
Got him here.
Copy.
You asshole!
Messed up.
All units, we need more backup. We have a suspect resisting. In Rancho.
Hello.
How you doing?
Thanks. Crazy!